at Coco Palms
Beach Resort.
And I'm gonna step out of here. It costs 200 pesos to get in and 100 pesos for her because she's 5 years old. That's Kylie, our nephew. And of course, there's niece. And then we got little Liam. Hi, baby.
Hi.
Boy.
Liam, eat.
Yeah, baby Liam eat. Okay. Don't disturb the baby eat. Yeah, mama eat too. So, in this little cottage, let me get out here. So in the cottage, you can see it's a little cottage here. It has two of these recliners that you don't be able to sit up. They're reclining all together. We got a picnic table. It comes with a hammock there. So what we brought today for food was we brought junk food, of course. Bananas, apples, grapes, fried chicken, rice. What else? Calamari. She brought calamari with us.
Plan.
Yep.
Plan. And Graham cocktail is left in the freezer.
What's this?
Plan.
What is that? I don't know what that is.
Made of egg milk.
Egg milk, condensed milk. Okay. And Coke. So this is the pool right here. My brain ain't working. Now you can see the dark rings. Every ring is a different depth. So you got the 2 feet, you got 4 feet, and then you have 5 feet over here. You got a slide, which is not very steep. And that's nice. The kids like that. And you got a waterfall right here. Got a waterfall. Very pretty grounds. Now we are only one of 2 families here. A rule is they only allow 10 people in at the swimming pool at a time. As you can see, there's nobody in there. Then we've got the view of the ocean right here. So here's the ocean. It's a very pretty day today. Looks like they used to allow you to walk down the steps here and swim, but I guess it's too deep. They don't want people going down there now. It's a shame. I'd like to swim over there. Then you got the harbor over here. So you got the harbor here. All the nice boats. Very pretty here. And then we have a view from the ocean here. Now again, it costs 200 pesos to get in here. So 100 pesos for Kylie. Liam was free. The cottage costs what, 350?
Yeah, weekdays.
With what?
If weekdays is 350.
Oh, weekdays.
500.
Weekdays is 350 pesos to rent this cottage. During the weekend, it's how much?
500.
500 pesos.
We have also mga rooms de la.
Yeah, they have. It's kind of dark. Sorry about that.
Barkada room.
They got room you can rent over here, so you can stay at night. We ought to do that one of these nights. Stay here at night. You can stay there. Did they say how much they were?
Yeah, I have.
Now they do have, which the kids are really excited about, they have a playground over there with all the slides and stuff, but it's closed off to the public right now because there are beehives that they need to clean out, so they're not allowing children to play. I did not bring...
Restaurant.
Huh?
You have a restaurant.
Oh, they got a restaurant in here? Okay. Now I didn't bring my drone, which would have been beautiful footage here, but I thought we were going somewhere else that we've already been. Want to go swim with Daddy way out here? Want to go swim with Daddy? Okay, come on. Walk over here, Daddy. Walk. Ta-da! Whoa!
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey.
Huh?
Hey.
Yeah.
Mama.
Mama's over there? Give us a kiss. Mwah. Yeah. You want to go slide? Mama, he wants to go down slide with Mama. Come on. Whoa, good job. Okay, so now we're leaving the beach, or the swimming pool. Brainy working. Here's another close-up of the, this is where you can rent a room for 1,700 pesos a night, or about 40 bucks a night. So now we're heading down to the beach. And of course you have a message here from the management. Pretty well explains everything. Thank you, COVID-19. Oh, we got a bar here. Looks like it's closed. Very nice. Huh? The big pool. There's a little baby pool over there right next to it. Oh, is that the beach right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think we can go also here. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's this one.
Yeah, it's a little.
Oh, I like get a picture of me.
Very nice.
I for the.
You rent at night. Yeah, you rent. You want to go down here and let them go in the water?
Yeah.
Got another pool here. Looks like it's a little bit bigger than the one over there, but they do have an area for children right there in the corner. Right there's for the kids. So we're going to come down these stairs here. And you have a little beach area. Doesn't look sandy, but it does have, it looks like the kids can play here. That's a big scoop. Wow, good job. What was that for? Okay, well, we're gonna wrap this up because, well, we've been at it now for about 4.5 hours, hon?
Yeah.
About 4.5 hours out here. Hope you enjoyed the scenery. It was very beautiful. Sorry I didn't bring my drone. My birthday's coming up next month, and we're thinking we're gonna come here, and I will make another video here, but I'll do it with other family members and get some drone footage because it's very beautiful here. So, you have any comments? Please, any comments. If you have any suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you our next Philippine adventure. Bye-bye.